At barrywalter Senior Company, you know us for our Unipolar. It is the premier mowing cartridge extraction tool on the planet. It's going to remove the 1200 and the 1222 cartridges. No muss, no fuss. Push up against the valve body. It's physics. Crank, no yanking. If the PosiTemp 1222 has been broken at the stem, you might have seen our video on our 999070, which is to remove that broken PosiTemp. Either way, all of our videos can be found at our website, barrywalter.com, so check those out when you get a chance. We've been asked about a tool to remove the Delta 13 and 1400 series of that MultiChoice cartridge. So we've come up with a tube that's an add-on for the Unipolar. This is going to remove the 13 and 1400 series cartridges the same way that the owner removes the mowing. The problem with the Delta is you get that nut off, you grab a hold of that cartridge as you're wiggling it, has a tendency to come apart. So the idea with our add-on, the Delta tube for ONA, is to be able to push up against that valve body and have the physics, just like we're used to with the removing the mowing cartridges, to remove this Delta cartridge. So we're gonna take a quick minute here and demonstrate this tool and how it works. First thing you're gonna have to do is remove this nut, brand new valve body, so it comes off a lot easier than you've seen out there in the wild. You take this tube and you just add it to that valve body where that nut came off, screw it onto the threads. Once you get that down on the bottom, take the crank and the threaded rod from the Unipolar. You run that threaded rod in there, put it into the tube. As it screws into that cartridge, it's gonna bottom out. Once it bottoms out, then it's just a matter of taking this crank and turning it. It only has to move 1/4 of an inch or so to get itself free of these 3 O-rings out of the valve body. So just nice and easy, cranking that, and that's all it is. After that, just take the tube, unthread it from the valve body. Once it comes free of the valve body, take the threaded rod and unscrew it from the cartridge and the crank, and that's it. Be on the lookout at your local supply house for our new part number 999150-7. It'll work in conjunction with our Unipolar. Check out all of our videos, all of our information on our website, barrywalter.com. As always, we're here to make you the parts hero. Until next time.